My dear students, you are watching Dr. Subhash Technical Campus and we are discussing exam tips. In our earlier session, we have discussed 5 different exam tips. So guys, if you are still remain to watch that video, so please click on I button at top right corner and first watch that video and again come back here so you will be able to understand more easily. Let's start with the tip number 6. That is, understand combinations of questions and marks distribution. Because if you will look about the question paper, so many questions are arriving into the combination of 2 or 3 and marks are divided with the each questions. So as per our paper style, there are 3, 4 and 7 marks questions in GTU paper styles. So first we will discuss about the 3 marks question, how there is a combinations available into the 3 marks question and how marks are distributed. So first, define following terms: first x, second y and z. This type of questions are arriving into the 3 marks, but combination and distribution of marks are 1 plus 1 plus 1. It means all 3 terms are carrying 1 mark for each. Next, that is combination of 1 plus 2. It means here marks are distributed for the first question, like what is x. So this question is carrying 1 mark. Same thing, what is called x or define x. These questions are carrying 1 mark and remaining second questions are carrying 2 marks. Get it? So there is need to understand the distribution of marks while attempting the answers. Let's see next. That is 3 marks question for the like write short notes or explain anything. So here that is the explanation of type question and equal marks are available, like 3 marks. So there is no need to think more. Entire question is carrying 3 mark. Next, now we will go for the 4 marks distribution. So let beginning give the function of following. It means here you have to write the function of all these things like A, B, C and D, 4 categories. So here any topic is given to you in place of A, B, C, D. So all questions are carrying 1 marks. Get it? Total marks is 4. Next, what is X? Describe A. Sorry, what is A and describe A. What is problem A? How to solve it? So again, it is distribution of 1 plus 3 marks. It means first question carrying 1 mark and second question carrying 3 marks. Same thing if we will look next. So let's see here, there is a combination of 2 plus 2. Get it? So describe A and B. It means 2 marks for A and 2 marks for B. Same here, there is 2 questions. So 2 mark for first question and 2 mark for the second question. One complexity is here to understand the combination of 1 plus 3 and 2 plus 2. So somewhere many students are facing the issues to understand this distribution, like distribution is with the 1 plus 3 or 2 plus 2. So somewhere there is need to use common sense also. Let's see next. There is 4 marks question, like differentiate A and B or compare A and B or compare more than 2 topics, or it should be explanation type question or briefly describe. Whenever there is a describe, it means you have to write the like properties or description about the some topic. Let's see next. There is 7 marks question. So again, if you will look, so there is a distribution of 1 plus 6, like what is x and explain x in detail. So 1 mark for the first question and remaining 6 mark for the another question like explanation of same topic. Next, there is a combination of 2 plus 5. So it means 2 marks for first question and 5 marks for the second question. As well as somewhere that is 2 plus 5 combination is arriving into the 1 plus 1 plus 5. It means this first question is divided into 2 questions like what is x and second one is what is y, and then after there is a explanation or conversation, or it should be like functions, properties, applications like. So it is a combination of 1 plus 1 plus 5. Next, there is a explain x and y. 3 plus 4, somewhere it is arriving also into the combination of reverse like 4 plus 3 also. Get it? So I am not taking more examples here because we have already discussed the questions of 3 marks and 4 marks. And last, most important is that is 7 marks questions. So many things can be asked like the details, diagrams, architectures, explanations, explains, services, numericals, algorithms, flowcharts, programs, and many things. Get it? So there is a entire question is carrying 7 marks. So at that time there is need to explain in detail. But most of the students are facing the issues here like how much content they have to write for the 3 marks question or 4 marks question or 7 marks question. So don't worry, we will discuss this thing in our next tip. It means whenever question should be asked to you in 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark or 7 marks for respected distributed marks, how much questions, how much answer you have to write, how much content you have to write, or how to explain or how to describe. So stay connected, stay healthy. Thank you very much, Dr. J.J. Patel, for your guidance and support related to exam.